If you want to download your account data from Lyft, follow these simple steps to ensure you have all your information saved securely. Step 1. Open the Lyft app. Launch the Lyft app on your smartphone or visit the Lyft website on your computer. Make sure you are logged into your account. Step 2. Access account settings. In the app, tap on your profile picture or the menu icon. On the website, look for your account name in the top right corner. Select Settings or Account from the menu options. Step 3. Find Data Privacy options. Scroll down to find the Privacy or Data Privacy section within the account settings. This section contains options related to your personal data and account information. Step 4. Request data download. Look for an option that says Download your data or Request account data. Click on this option to initiate the process. You may need to confirm your identity by entering your password or verifying your email. Step 5. Wait for email confirmation. After submitting your request, check your email for a confirmation message from Lyft. This email will inform you when your data is ready for download, along with instructions on how to access it. Once you have followed these steps, you will be able to download your account data from Lyft. Make sure to keep your information secure and review it as needed.